Tonight we're going to a super popular spot, but our cab is here and it's raining, so I'll tell you in a second when we get there. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. By the way, my name is Chad Kubanoff. I've been living in Vietnam for like 10 years now. But it's time to eat. Go, you guys go first, quick, quick, quick. I can't help you in the rain. I gotta cover my camera. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Chicka, 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 chicka. Don't rain on my camera. Xin chào. It's raining, it's pouring. We're not taking a motorbike today. Oh, I think they might be in a new location because I saw it today. I saw the sign, but it must be in a new spot. Okay, we're in Fumihong D7, super popular Korean and Chinese neighborhood, and there is top tier, amazing Korean fried chicken here. So that's what we're getting. We're going to Jeju. Ready? Over here. Oh, thank you so much, my love. Here you go, my lady. This is gonna be too much air conditioning for you. I'm so glad I took a cab because they have the Bia Twit here. They have the super cold beer. So good.
Have we been here?
You've been here once before, JD. And then we ordered a takeout one time, and I've been here once with Freddie too. This spot specializes in Korean fried chicken. Then you can get it bone in or bone out, and then they have 3 different flavors. So you can mix the flavors or get whatever you want. We've got, like the tteokbokki, we've gotten that here before. It's so big. Portions are crazy. Look at the translation. Feet and cheese. Oh, that chimga. Oh, the chicken feet. We've gotten this, like the pork blood sausage. It was okay. I wouldn't get that again. Oh, that's what I want, bro. That's what I want, that cold beer. You guys want bone in or bone out?
I like bone. Actually, yeah, bone.
Bone?
What is that? It's wings or?
I don't know. We've only gotten boneless before. It's just like, yeah, we've always gotten boneless since cut thighs. I'm happy to get bone in. All right, let's get bone in. All right, fine. Okay, well, do you want to get tteokbokki or do you want to get a fruit salad?
Fruit salad.
You want to get a fruit salad?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I think a fruit salad sounds good too. The fruit salad? No, we've never tried that. All right, so we'll get a fruit salad, tteokbokki, and the chicken. Okay, and a tteokbokki, no spicy, I assume. Okay, that sounds good. I hit the button, but if you see somebody, just wave down. I don't know if it works or not. I hit it already. I hit it twice. Xin chào. Cho anh ô phần bả vị có xuân và một tteokbokki ít cay được. Được. Ít cay được. Và một salad. Một bia twit lớn. Xong rồi. We got a combo, so we got a free drink. $4.50 plus $1.60 is $5.50, $6.10, same. You just get 2 drinks for free. Sound good, right? It's just everybody sitting with a mommy side, is that how? JD, what's going on here? Why don't you sit with sweet daddy? Everybody loves sweet daddy. You know I'm the sweetest? Did you know that? I'm the sweetest there is, girl. Why don't you sit with daddy? Why don't you sit with daddy? No? Okay, well, I'll just sit on both of these seats then, okay? Talking about, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Could that be more exciting? We probably only need one of these here. That's pickled radish and slaw and sauce. I think it's sesame salt, if I remember correctly. I sure do love fried chicken, but this is equally as exciting. This freaking frozen beer, Liam, when you get older, you will understand.
No, you can't. It's bitter.
You should try it. Like a real sip, because the beer's literally frozen. It's icy beer. It's so cool. It's so cold.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I
Don't everybody get off my beer. Don't touch my beer now.
just want to feel it.
I just want to feel it. Daddy just want to feel it too on his lips. Nice. Well, I'm gonna have to save it. Mommy will like the cabbage cut so thin. The dressing's so sweet. What's wrong, Jay? You don't like the pickle? Really?
It's really sour.
Really sour?
What it does.
Peanuts. Good? Are you alright, Jay? Oh, they're a little spicy, huh? CPW is VPW, baby. VPW. I gotta find out when the next match is. I gotta talk to Carrie. I invite Carrie over. I haven't seen him in a while. Yeah. Whoa.
What is that?
That's a tteokbokki.
Oh, that's the spicy.
A little bit. Wow, that's cheesy.
Cheesy. I love cheese.
What? You don't like cheddar? Why don't you like cheddar? You like cheddar.
Don't tell him that.
Is this a YouTube video?
No.
I feel like this is YouTube.
No. Cheddar cheese makes you scream like a little baby.
You good, JD?
Did we get tteokbokki?
We got tteokbokki last time. We got it when we ate here, and we got it when we ordered it too. Oh, let's go. CKSK VPW.
Chicken. We got it.
Are they coming? Wow. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Wow. Whoa.
Oh, great. No bone like last time.
That's what I'm talking about. Plain soy sauce, and I think that one's a spicier gochujang. That's a big plate. It's a really big plate. Wow, and the salad too. Wow.
Outrageously yummy.
Oh, look how beautiful. You got a fruit salad. Interesting choice here. Melon, Asian pear, watermelon, dragon fruit, and another melon. That's cool. All right. Yeah, you can try, baby. This table is loaded. There's nowhere to put a camera. Something be aware of, if you order it no bone, it's like off by. And if you order it with bone, you will get a whole chicken, because this is breast. I've never had breast here before.
Daddy, this is a big meal.
Yeah, have fun. We'll get it.
This is good.
We haven't been here in a while. And I think this is probably the most popular Korean fried chicken in District 7. It's very, very, very popular. And Liam, when you have bones, we have a box here, okay? I can drop bones in there. Pretty good. Mommy going tteokbokki.
I hate the chopsticks.
The metal chopsticks? No, that's Korea. Daddy going, that's a mommy. You're lucky your mommy's a 6. She's very caring.
I like he was a 6, but I think I'd also like he was an 8.
No, I don't like being 8.
You
I
and
don't
Mom.
like go too up or too down. I don't like that.
I wouldn't have married an 8.
Or you have everything or you have none. I don't like that.
What kind of fruit you want? No, I'm bringing it to you. I'm bringing it to you. I'm bringing it to you. The fruit's a good choice though with this. And really, they made it beautiful.
I think it's dragon fruit. Dragon fruit's my favorite.
Fruit? Dragon fruit's your favorite fruit? Pretty hard to beat fried chicken and beer. This old guy on TikTok is just like, I love fried chicken. I even love bad fried chicken. I don't care. Me too. Every fried chicken is good. The red one's not spicy. You guys don't need to worry. It's not spicy at all. The tteokbokki is more spicy than the chicken. I mean, I think all the chicken flavors are good. I do like getting the 3 flavors and getting the mix on it. Me right now. Right, one shot?
No, no.
My wife wants to be delicate on camera. Let's show her.
Stop it.
Let's show her. God, suck on that bone.
Okay, one day I just make all the vegetable and I make you eat it. That's all your meal. I don't like it when you just pick it out.
That's a pretty good. You okay with the bones in there, Janie?
Yeah.
Good.
I like the soy sauce.
You like the soy sauce?
And like the selections of the music here.
You like the music?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a Pokemon music.
Pokemon. That's a good idea.
That's what I wanted, a bone.
You want a bone? You like eating a bone? Is it too spicy for you? Really? You've eaten stuff so much hotter. The soup at Waka Love is much hotter.
The noodles aren't that spicy.
Wait a minute. The noodles aren't that spicy, but the egg is spicy? And they're both sitting in the same sauce? The noodle has a hole in it. It absorbs sauce in the hole. What are you talking about? We keep grabbing all the saucy chicken, but actually the plain one might be my favorite one.
The plain one is the best.
Good, it's really good. And you can dip it in these sauces if you want the plain one. The plain one's good. They're all good. I'm not complaining about anything. But the plain one's good. Don't sleep on the plain one. Well, this was a good idea.
I like the fruit salad.
I love the fruit salad. I think it's great. I know, Liam, and you're gonna love that. You're the fruity guy. Melon, watermelon, pear. Yeah, I think the fruit's a win. You get that every time.
Is this close to Water Love?
This close to Waka Love? Yeah. It's probably a 10-minute walk to get to Waka Love.
Look at Jay.
Jay, crushing it. Doing very good.
She is Vietnamese now.
You don't think she was Vietnamese before?
She just sit next to mommy a lot, so she learned how to eat chicken with bone. You choose in the bone. She loves the neck, you remember?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, there's no neck on this one. I forgot. We can get the grilled chicken again, too.
Oh, there's
Em
one.
ơi, cho chị thêm nước được không?
Come be it.
Thêm nước chứ thêm bia.
We're almost out.
Daddy, Mommy said more water and beer.
I heard her, baby. Thanks so much, though, for the translation. I appreciate it. I hope someday you're gonna I'm gonna need you to help me translate because you're gonna get better than me soon. All right, I need you to get better than me.
It's pear.
A pear is good.
I don't like pear.
What? Come on, you. Yeah. Amazing. This is incredible. I mean, come on, look at this. Anyone who serves beer like this, I appreciate you. Thank you for doing that. Damn. I always see like the Korean drama shows or even just like Korean interviews and they just talk about fried chicken and beer and it is a good combo. You're right, pears are fruit. Liam, I don't think, you really don't like the this pear, you really don't like it?
I don't like pear.
Wow, this is a good pear too. I think you can say you don't like pears, but when we go back to America, we'll get you some different pears, like a Bosc pear or a Bartlett pear. Very good. You know, this pear, we call it an Asian pear or a Korean pear, but Asian pear. A Bartlett pear and a Bosc pear are very different. A Bartlett pear is almost like a soft apple, but good texture, not like mushy. And a Bosc pear, we'll cook it. We make a dessert with it. You braise it in red wine and you put ice cream on top. It's really good. I'll make it for you. If I see one in Vietnam, I'll buy it. I'll try it. Pears are pretty great.
I only have one more. I only have room for one.
We're doing good. We're gonna get through this. Nice job. Everybody's doing a good job. And the fruit's even dessert too. This is a great idea. Don't answer it yet, okay? Don't answer it. But the big question is gonna be, is this better than Texas fried chicken? Don't answer it. Don't answer it. Not yet. Don't answer it. Not yet. But that's going to be the question. I want you to think about it. But that's going to be the big question at the end of the video. Because it's a hard thing to decide. They're different. All right, well, we'll wait.
Dad, can we say it now?
No. I'm going to ask you later when you give me your review. Then you can tell me. I promise I'll ask you. Because it's hard. It's hard to say. It's a different style. It's a different thing. I'll tell you what, though. Texas fried chicken does not have this. It's not just beer. It's snow beer, they call it. Snow beer.
Why is it so beer?
Because it's frozen. It's like a beer slushy. And the tteokbokki's so good, too. I like the tteokbokki a lot.
So cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
And I'm getting cold. Oh, here. I like the red one.
The red one's good. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it. Look at how well this little family of 5 is taking this thing down. I'm so proud. I would, too. They're just far from me. And the fruit's giving me what I need for a little refreshment. Liam, you a beast, bro. You a beast, bro.
I'm a meat eater.
Yep.
And I like fruit.
Yeah, you could be a carnivore. You like meat and fruit. You know what a carnivore is, Liam? What's a carnivore? A carnivore just eats meat. An omnivore eats everything. But usually people on a carnivore diet, they will eat some fruit as well.
I like this sauce.
The sauce is good. All right, we got 2 pieces of chicken left. I can eat it or I can leave it for you guys. So you tell me what you want. You want it, you have it. You don't want it. Liam?
I got it.
You got that. I'll wait. You guys eat it if you want it. I'll eat fruit. This was salak qua qua, right?
Hoa quả.
Qua qua is the same as chai kai.
Yeah, hoa quả is hoa is
Flour.
quả.
The fruit, the flower fruit. But that's exactly the same as chai kai. Qua qua northern?
Hoa quả, just like they just display it nicely.
Oh, okay. Oh, like so is hua referring to the presentation of it? So like a flower display of fruit, a fruit flower display? Oh, okay, I can see that. And how about, is hua a northern word for chai kai? Okay, that makes sense. Okay, got it. Would you say chai kwa, like a piece of fruit? Instead of chai kai, like chai kwa? No. If you haven't guessed it yet, Vietnamese language is very hard and confusing. But it's pretty cool. Interesting how it works. Woo! You're out? All right.
Well, we have a nice pickleball today.
I had a lot of fun playing pickleball with you today. And it's good to practice up close too. That's what they train, very important. Most of the time, the game is really close, right at the net. And you're just trying to wait for the person to make a mistake and then you can kill. It's not the way that we're playing where we're just hitting it back and forth. It's good exercise, but if you're really trying to play the game, that's not how you play.
Tennis the same, right?
Different. Tennis has more power.
That lady has been holding that baby for the whole time for the mommy can eat.
The owner of the restaurant has been holding a customer's baby the whole time they've been eating. And it's just like our restaurant in Philadelphia. When Tree was born, all of our customers would hold our baby while my wife and I were working, running around. Oh, I like this song.
And I like the song, what, the city light, what is that?
Weekend?
Blinded lights.
The Weekend Blinded Lights?
Blinded-
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah, that's a good song. Beer's catching up, food's catching up. That's it, bro. This morning we had bún cá rô đam. Such a good dish. See, I'm glad we took a car. I got 2 beers deep. It's I don't want to drive home. Quack quack.
Hoa quả.
Quack quack. It sounds like a duck. Quack quack. Quack quack. This is usually what happens. The other kids disappear and then it's just me, mommy, and Liam left over. Always. Liam's my eating bro. That boy's almost thick. Is that it, Liam? You're gone? That last bite of chicken, did you? Wow, we crushed. We did great. We crushed it.
Oh, the last piece is so good.
Last piece, the best piece.
Yeah, the last.
Last one. Cheers. Yo. I think it's perfect order. You could get French fries instead of the tteokbokki, but if you want it, but it's just too much fried shit.
I wonder which one's better.
Are you gonna think about it? All right, I'm gonna ask you later. Once we pay the check, I'm gonna ask you. If you don't know Texas fried chicken, Texas is same as Church's. So it's like basically a KFC kind of vibe to it. Better than KFC though. So we'll see if everybody thinks it's better at Texas or not. All right, let's get out of here. It's raining again. Raining hard. Oh, it is raining hard. Wow, it's raining even harder than when we left. Bummer. Look at this rain. Wow. Oh, so total was $975. So basically $1 million. It's about 40 bucks. This is a good spot. They do have seating upstairs, and they also have a smoke room upstairs too if you're a smoker. But you should stop smoking, don't smoke. I wanted to show you this guy out here, but I can't. That guy's just funny, I like that guy. And then you know you're in the right spot. Wow, big rain. The rainy season is here, officially. We've had some big rain almost every day the last 4 or 5 days. And probably about 3 days ago, huge storm. And there's a lot of trees that blew down in this area. This is a cool area, Saigon rather. This is what I would call the other side of Fumihung. It's a great area. If you're traveling here, you may want to look at coming to Fumihung area and checking it out. Very different vibe from the rest of the city. Calm, upscale, beautiful, very Viet, but also very foreign too. There's a lot of fusion-y stuff. There's a lot of Chinese, a lot of Korean, but it still has a lot of local Viet stuff too. So it's great. Big open roads, lots of green. That's why we live around here rather. Oh, another piece of advice for you. It's kind of hard to get a Grab or an Uber when it's raining, and it's definitely a higher price for sure. Hopefully it won't be too long. JD, you're gonna get wet, girlie, don't fall! That's a beer sign with a raincoat on the beer sign. They have some staff that will help you with an umbrella, so they got a raincoat out here. Across the street, that's us? Okay, all right. Car's here, camera's going away, we'll see you back at the house. Well, what do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing. Did you like it?
Yeah,
You going back?
definitely.
Favorite thing on the table?
Does fruit salad count?
You can count that.
The chicken, which kind?
Soy was your favorite, I thought.
The red one.
Oh, okay. And point?
9-7.
Is it better than Texas?
Why? Yes.
Okay. JD, did you like it? You going back?
Yes.
Favorite thing on the table?
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Point.
9-9.
Is it better than Texas?
Yes.
Did I like it? Yes. Am I going back? Yes. Favorite thing on the table? Maybe the plain chicken. Plain chicken or the soy chicken. I love the fruit salad. I love the beer. That was a perfect order to me. If you're gonna go, I would get that order. What we got: fruit salad, tteokbokki, fried chicken, all the flavors. And point for me, it's at least a 9.2. At least a 9.2. Is it better than Texas? That's a hard question. I think on an overall meal, yes, it's better than Texas. On a particular one bite, just the biting of fried chicken, I think Texas is better. I think I prefer biting into a whole chicken thigh, Western style fried chicken. That's amazing. Top tier. Anyway, that's the end. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, give us a comment down below. Please comment so important. Please, algorithm, help us. Chatty great, chatty suck, bicycle, anything like that would be perfectly fine. See you next time. Peace.